MzeroA Nation, Jason here. I just had the coolest opportunity the other day to actually take a tour of Piper World Headquarters in Vero Beach. Next time you're in Florida, it is a must-do event. I was so amazed, first off, at how vast the Piper campus really is. And then a place that large, how clean it was, how organized it was, how systematized everything was. Everybody had their mission, everybody had the vision of what they were following, whether it was on the Archer line or the Seminole line or my favorite line, the M600. Wait till you see next week's video where I get to show you the Halo and the auto landing system. Absolutely amazing. I don't want to spoil it any too much. It's going to be an amazing video next week. You're going to want to see that. But I want to really thank Drew and his amazing team for the tour. I mean, the things we got to see, how they literally lay out all the wiring that goes into that aircraft across this huge board. And just to see that, first off, the level of detail and the genius that even made the board to then put the wiring on to make it easier for the team to then go put it in the airplane. I was blown away to see how much was done by hand. And by hand, I mean literally like just so much love was going into this. Things that probably could be automated, but they just have such a philosophy of doing things by hand, and love goes into every single one of those airplanes that you fly. I mean, Drew is telling us a story. There are some Archers with 30,000 hours on them that are just still flying strong. It was just an incredible experience. So thank you to the Piper team just for opening up your arms and your facility for us to go check out. And thanks for the M600 ride. It was pretty cool too. Listen, MzeroA Nation, can't wait to read your comments. Have you ever done the tour at Piper? Let me know in the comment section below. Have a wonderful rest of your day. And most importantly, remember, a good pilot is always learning. Have a great day, everyone. We'll see you.